Quick little video today. Pouring down raining outside, so figured I'd bring y'all a couple of the newer additions to the showroom here. Wish we had about room for 20 or 30 more vehicles, but we do what we can with what we have to work with. Since the last video, this Ranger F100 has come in. This is a 460 equipped truck. Laser straight body. Don't say that very often, but for an old truck, this thing really does have a straight body. Hopefully this video will show you that. Wheel and tire choice fits the truck pretty well. You probably could do something a little more up to date these days, but it does look good with the truck and it drives well. We just went over this truck redoing the brake system, which is a power brake system. Also, while it was on the rack, we took several photos, which we'll see on the website. It does have a nice spray-in liner. Full custom interior. Aftermarket gauges, billet steering column, billet steering wheel, aftermarket stereo, clean headliner, velour interior, very, very nicely done. Custom door panels with Ford embroidered in it. Again, hopefully this video will show some of the quality of this truck. Underneath it has a aluminum subframe with a rack and pinion steering. Looks to me like it came out from under a later model F150 or maybe a Mustang. And there it is, 460 up under the hood. Air conditioning, tons of braided and billet. Billet battery hold down, Optima battery. Runs extremely well. Automatic transmission. Got a big, nice size radiator. All the sheet metal's clean under the hood. All the stainless and chrome on this truck's clean. I wouldn't call it a Barrett Jackson truck by any means, but somebody put a hefty amount of money in this truck. We redid one of these for a previous customer of ours. We converted it to 4x4, and we definitely know what it costs to do a truck like this. If I had to guess, there's probably $50,000 to $60,000 tied up into this truck if you had to pay somebody retail to build it for you. Maybe even more at today's rates. Emblems are fresh and clean. Trim is fresh and clean. Tailgate operates great. Again, maybe a different tire and wheel choice, but the truck has a great stance. One little paint imperfection right here. I don't know if you can see it, but a little weird little spot right there about the size of a dime where it's got like a little chip to it. Other than that, the finish on the paint of the truck, as far as I've looked around it, top to bottom, is basically perfect. And again, the body lines are spot on. They don't get much nicer, that's for sure. 1968 Ford F100 Ranger. If you have any more questions or want any additional pictures, there's a ton of them on the website, but if we can take you some more, we're happy to do it. Davis4x4.com, or give us a call, 804-271-0030.